How to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. So let's say you're tired of Instagram and need a break, so no one will be able to text you or find your username. I'm gonna show you how to do this. Firstly, let's open up the app and click profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now we're gonna tap on the three lines in the top right to access settings. And from the list of options, choose Account Center. Now you're gonna go ahead and scroll a bit down until Personal Details and tap on that. From the list of options, again choose Account Ownership and Control. And finally, you will see option Deactivation or Deletion. Let's tap on that and choose Instagram account, not Facebook. Now you have two options, deactivate your account or delete. Deactivation is a temporary solution and deleting is permanent. So we're gonna choose deactivate account, and it means your profile will be hidden on Instagram until you reactivate it through Account Center, just like we did right now, or by logging into your Instagram account. So select this option and click continue. Now you will need to confirm this step by entering your Instagram password and clicking continue. After that, just choose a reason why you want to deactivate your account. There are a bunch of reasons, but I'm gonna select just need a break and tap continue. You can read this information before you deactivate account. You can tap how to edit Instagram notification settings, so on. And also you can choose when your account will be automatically reactivated. You can tap on that option and choose, for example, 2 days, 3 days, but you can also set don't reactivate automatically, so only you can manually reactivate your account. I'm going to choose 1 day and click done. Now just tap on the continue button and tap blue button deactivate account. After that, you're going to wait a few seconds, or it could be a few minutes, till your account will be deactivated. And on the bottom, you will see that your account is now deactivated. So to log back in, you can just press and hold your profile's icon and click Add Instagram Account. Or go to the three lines to Settings, scroll all the way down and choose Add Account. Tap Log into Existing, then just use another profile. Here set your username, just like that, and then enter your password. Just wait a few moments. Once again, click Save, and now you just reactivated your profile. That's it. Don't forget to hit subscribe to see more useful content.